Look what I got! It's the new EOS R!
You mean the R5? But how did you get that? There's waiting lists. You have to wait for ages.
Nope! It's only got an R on the box.
That's the one that was released in 2018, dude.
So, it's not the new one?
That's the one that's 2 years old. That's not the new R5.
I knew that.
You roll with it. Your new Canon. Yes.
Obviously, I did not get the EOS R by accident. So let's see what's in the box. It's a charger, battery pack, a couple of cables. This part is exciting. It's the Canon EF2 RF lens mount adapter, so I can use my existing lenses. A strap. And now for the exciting part, the body. It's a little bit smaller than the 60, and I'm really excited for the flip screen, the touch screen, and a couple of other new things. So stay tuned for a detailed review in a couple of weeks.